This is a 73 Mustang 302. The fuel evaporative system is essentially identical to what you have in 72 and 71. Here is the corrugated foil and paper tube that leads from the air filter housing down to one of the connectors on the fuel evaporative canister. Now the other connection is to a rubber vacuum line that goes to a metal pipe that is found behind the engine above the transmission, and that rolls on down and it connects to a steel pipe that then runs all the way back to the fuel tank, where on the top of the fuel tank there's a fuel evaporative control valve, and that's all that's for, is to let vapors flow from there into this carbon canister. And when the engine starts and runs, there is apparently enough suction or vacuum in here, very, very little, to pull fuel vapors that are stored inside this tank using carbon, pieces of carbon, as a storage device, granular carbon. Now, in order to provide venting to the atmosphere as fuel vapors come and go, we have this plastic hooded cap that goes, I hope I can get that, on top of the canister. If that is missing, all that really is for is to keep debris and junk from pouring down there. Is more of a splash shield than anything else. So if you get something else that you can put on there that vents, you're going to be fine. Or you can go to a wrecking yard, find an older car, and pretty much any of these Ford tanks should fit in here, as long as you don't get one that's too long. This is a pretty long one here. I've seen a longer though. So anyway, I hope that helps.